The breast for an, I still no one keep your hand in one place.
I'll flog you.
We are live. All right, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, unexpected error called on my system, so that was why the live ended at first place. The first one I sent the link, so I have to reboot it. So, all right. Yesterday we look at on gold. All right, and I told us that gold is going to create new high. Told us that gold is going to create new all-time high. Even on the Telegram channel, I posted it. So if you have not joined the Telegram channel, click the link on the description to join the Telegram channel. All right. So yesterday I showed us this, that I'm expecting gold to drop to this point, then buy. All right. So if you check here, you'll see that it spiked down to this point, didn't get to our entry where we set our pending order, which was 2129.8. Rather, it stopped at this level here, which is 2131. Then it rallies to the upside, never come back again, keep on going to the upside. Even before that, it has already hit TP1. All right, it has already hit TP1 and also TP2 before it spikes down. And I told us to delete the pending order because I don't see price coming back to our entry again, and which price did not. Even when the spike that did not get to our pending order, rather, it keep on going to the upside. So here is it. It has created a new all-time high. Now, during the news, we had news this afternoon by 2:15, I think so. The market spikes up to 2164. That was a new high that market created here. All right, so we're not going to look at gold any longer. All right, because gold is not going to give us entry to enter this market. So I will be taking another pair here. Um, all right, I'll be taking GBP USD. Yesterday I set a link on GBP USD, though currently is kind of trying to um is trying to kind of spike up to take out that new high, that high that was created there. All right, GBP USD, like I said yesterday, I sent in analysis on it. All right, which I was expecting it to drop, but unfortunately I open my trading view and I see that I already have analysis on it, which was buy bias. All right, and this buy bias is about hitting the target. All right, look at it here. This buy bias is about hitting the target, even Euro US. So now this is the point I'm expecting it to take out. Then before we now see a drop. Why are we expecting it to drop? One, first of all, we have a massive drop here, a very strong bearish momentum that dropped to this point, as you can see, and this created a price inefficiency or price imbalance. Okay, so and we all know that anytime we have price inefficiency or price imbalance or price displacements. I like calling it price displacements. Okay. Market usually do what? Do some correction. All right. Market usually do some correction. So, and anytime it happens, market don't usually just come back and correct it immediately. It will take some time before market correct it. So as you see this massive drop here, all right, and market is likely to do what? Due to some corrections, which price is currently doing now. So you can see it's currently making some corrections to the upside to do what? To correct this displacement that occurred here. And now, looking at it now, it's currently at a critical level at which we should be expecting a sell. So that was why I sent the analysis yesterday, but I see that it's currently pushing up. So when I came back here, and I noticed that it's almost at the target point. All right, so we should be expecting anything sell at this point now, at which first of all, if you check here, I have a horizontal line here resting above this high here. Okay, so I'm expecting it to do what? To make a kind of spike up, all right, to take out the high before it drop. So this was what I failed to look at for before sending the previous analysis I sent on the Telegram channel, which I made on MT5. All right, like I said, we all are here to learn and also take correction from our mistakes. So my mistake was one, not considering what I have on my trading view, because I wasn't with my PC when I made the analysis. If not, I would have made sure that I look out for this high. So currently now we have an OB here. This is H4. Let's mark it out. All right. Currently now we have an OB here. Let's take it further. We have an OB here. Let's make this line accurate. Perfect. All right. We have an OB here, right? Okay. So I will label it an OB. I will label it an OB. All right. Let me take it to the right. So I have this an OB here. Looking at this point here. All right. H4 OB. I should say H4 OB. And let's move down to H1. See guys, what we are expecting on GBP currently now is a sell, but a spike, something like this. Let me show you guys. We're likely to see something like this, up before down. All right, but if we doesn't see this, if we did not see this up and down continues, we are going to scale down on lower time frame to see if we have a shift in market structure. All right, then we're likely to start making an entry, because looking at here now, here we have H1. Okay, let me remove this. Here now we have H1. If you check here now, you see that on H1 here now we now have a kind of equal high, not just equal high, but a previous high here has been taken out. In essence, we say that the market has kind of grabbed liquidity. So I will put it a star. I'll put it a star. All right. Center. So market have taken out this previous high here. We have a previous high here. Market have what? Taken it out. Then it's currently dropping now. And the drop is not that massive. Like I said, the drop is not that massive. Okay. So if Proventure will still have another push up, so it should be something like this. Check out this one, then we'll not see it drop. But if we don't see something like this and it keep on dropping, then we are going to go down to lower time frame. Here now we have 15 minutes. Here now 15 minutes, we see that we have some structures here. Okay, we have, okay, someone say, sir, is selling or buy? If you are talking about gold, I will advise you to stay clear of gold currently now, because gold is at critical level. So if gold should be selling, I don't think it will be today, but maybe before the market close, we might be seeing a kind of bearish move. But likely, we should be expecting that sell probably from tomorrow, if at all it will sell. All right. So currently, we are looking at GBP/USD. So like I said, on 15 minutes now, we have some structures here. Already, this high has been taken out here. Okay. Already, this high has been taken out. Okay. So now, let's zoom out. All right. So now looking here, we now have a current candle that is printing a rejection, a bearish. All right. So now what we are going to do is this. We are going to wait for this bearish candle to close. All right, for us to have a short sell. Okay. If this candle close bearish like this, that means we are going to have a short sell. Okay. So first of all, let's look at what we have on 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes here, we'll have the market broke structure here. Okay. We'll mark it out. Then we'll have it run into this OB here. Also, we mark it out. Let me make it accurate. We mark it out. Let's make it accurate. All right. All right. Okay. So now, finally, price dropped to this point, then create this high that was taken out by this spike that spiked to the upside. So we're gonna put it a sign to indicate that others was taken out from there. All right. So now coming down here, we have this low being taken out, so you can see, right? So we'll now put it a sign as well. All right, to indicate that liquidity has been taken out there. Okay. So now not only that, we have this as well being taken out. Okay. So we'll disregard this. All right, let's go with the few ones we have now. So now currently now we are expecting it to drop. Our target should be here. First target, like I said, a short sell. So quickly, one entry should be here. Then one entry should be here. Then our stop loss should be above the high that is currently on 15 minutes. All right. So let's say 10 pips, 10 pips stop loss, 10 pips stop loss. Then we'll be targeting here as TP1, which is 20 pips. TP1, 20 pips. So let's label it TP1. TP1, then TP2, we should be targeting here as TP2. Okay, so let's label it as well TP2. All right, TP2. Then let's take it down further. All right, these are our targets. All right, so currently now, before we enter this trade, all right, we are currently waiting for 15 minutes to close. Okay, we are currently waiting for 15 minutes to close. Okay, so 15 minutes will close. If it closes the way we are expecting it to close, it confirms us to do what? To sell. All right, so let's wait for 15 minutes to close. 5 minutes time, we'll have the next 15 minutes candle. Then we will, be taking an entry. Someone say you're already done trading for the week. That's nice. That's nice. You've met your targets for the week. That's nice. Okay. So, all right. So let's wait for 15 minutes to close. In 5 minutes time, we have the next 15 minutes time. We will be taking an entry. And please, if you have not subscribed for this channel, please do wait to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification in case anytime we go live, you will be notified and also you will join us. If you have not subscribed for this channel, hit the subscription button and also turn on the in case anytime we go live, you will be notified and also you will join us. I believe everyone is hearing me. Everyone here, I believe you can hear me. Someone said sometimes I can't hear some words, but I believe you can hear me now. All right, looking at the chart now. Looking at the chart now, the 15 minutes candle did not close as expected. So in that case, we are not going to take the trade. Okay, 15 minutes did not close as expected. So in that case, we are not going to take the trade. So we only take the trade when what we are expecting occur. So I believe you learn from this. You don't just take trade because you're expecting it to, go that direction, and maybe because market is at that point, you started, entering the trade. You must wait for your conferences to be met. So we are only left for the candlestick formation to form and complete before we take the trade. But since that one did not occur, that means we are not going to take the trade. Okay, so anytime you make analysis, if one thing is left for you to confirm the trade before taking it, allow it to